Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel series. I hope you're fine. I am also fine. So viewers, and you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show different beautiful and unique paper decoration ideas. You guys know we can share different amazing paper decoration ideas. We can share different home wall decoration ideas, rocks art, stone art, and different more beautiful and unique paper art for family, for kids, and different more pattern ideas, and I hope you like it. You can see it is very amazing and stylish paper frame ideas for your family. You can decor your room for different stone. You can decorate your wall decoration ideas, and you can make different beautiful stone crockery. You can make different stone tiles on washroom, your kitchen, and etc. And you can decorate for your garden. You can decorate your room from stone art, and you can see it is very unique and stylish paper decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. And you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.